Want glowing, radiant skin without using harsh chemicals? These 5 natural face masks will give you that fresh, youthful glow using ingredients straight from your kitchen. Stay tuned to discover the best DIY remedies for healthy skin. Nutrient Fusion, your go-to health guide. The first face mask is perfect for brightening and hydrating your skin. You'll need: mix the honey and lemon juice well. Apply it to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then, rinse off with warm water for instantly refreshed skin. Benefits: hydrates and nourishes. Evens out skin tone. Fights acne and dark spots. This second mask is a game changer for glowing and even-toned skin. Here's what you need. Mix all the ingredients into a smooth paste. Apply it to your skin and leave it for 10 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel bright, refreshed, and smooth. Benefits: brightens dull skin. Reduces inflammation. Gently exfoliates. If your skin feels dry and irritated, this hydrating and soothing mask is perfect. Blend the ingredients together and apply to your skin. Leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing with cold water. This mask is excellent for sensitive skin. Benefits: deeply hydrates. Soothes irritation. Reduces redness and puffiness. This nourishing mask is great for dry and sensitive skin. Mash the banana and mix it with oatmeal and honey. Apply it to your skin for 15 minutes before rinsing. This mask locks in moisture and leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth. Benefits: deeply nourishes. Gentle exfoliation. Restores skin elasticity. Looking for an ultra-hydrating mask? Try this. Mash the avocado and mix it with coconut oil. Apply to your skin and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water. This mask makes your skin plump and hydrated. Benefits: deeply moisturizes. Softens dry skin. Boosts skin glow. These natural face masks will give you glowing, radiant skin without any harsh chemicals. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Nutrient Fusion and hit the bell icon for more health and skincare tips.